This is a quick walkthrough showing how to change the volume setting on a 210 or 220 core without having a working screen. To start out, go ahead and pop your battery out and then back in. This will ensure that we're both starting from the same point, as when you insert a battery into a core, it will always default to showing the current time. And I'm going to check that real quick now just by hitting the plus. That brings up what's on the screen. So now that we know where it's starting out from, we can go ahead and hit the mode button once, twice, 3 times to bring up the volume. And normally this would start out on volume 3, so I'm just going to change that real quick so that you will know what it would be on your dog, presuming you have a bad clock battery, which almost all 210s by now do. So once you have volume pulled up, you're going to want to push and hold the mode button for about 2 to 3 seconds until it starts flashing. You'll just have to try and time this if you don't have a working screen. Then hit the plus button once to move it to 0, twice to move it to 1, 3 to move it to 2, and forward bring it back to volume setting 3. We'll go with 0 just for the sake of this demonstration. Then hit mode to confirm and select it. And at that point, the volume setting should be stored until the next time you remove the dog's main battery.